What if I told you that learning a new language could actually change the structure of your brain? That's right. Today, we're going to show you how it works. By diving into the world of neuroplasticity and language learning, we will discover how your brain reshapes itself when you take on the challenge of becoming multilingual. It's a journey that is just as thrilling as it is transformative. Our exploration today is guided by an intriguing study done by Lee, Legault, and Litovsky. But don't worry, we're breaking down the science into easy to understand strategies that can make your language learning journey both effective and enjoyable. So let's get started. What if we told you that mastering English could land you a better job, skyrocket your confidence, and turn you into a social superstar? It's not magic, it's science, and you're about to find out why. Today, we're delving into the groundbreaking study by Lee, Legault, and Litovsky, which shows how learning a second language can literally rewire your brain. But fear not. We're here to translate the science into actionable steps and strategies that will turbo boost your English proficiency. Our brain has this incredible power of neuroplasticity. It can change and adapt. And when we learn a second language like English, this power kicks into overdrive. Now let's look into some strategies to maximize neuroplasticity. Are you ready to harness this power? Here are some strategies to do exactly that. Number 1, immerse yourself. Immersive learning means surrounding yourself with the language. Dive headfirst into English. Watch English shows, read English books, listen to English podcasts. This can be done physically, like living in a country where English is spoken, or virtually by consuming media in that language. Being part of an online community. This constant exposure encourages your brain to form new connections as it tries to understand and use the language. Number 2, repetition. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Regular practice strengthens your brain's new neural connections. Repetition is key. Practice doesn't just make progress, it also strengthens the neural connections your brain has formed. Repeat words, phrases, and sentences regularly. Number 3, novelty. Embrace the new. Learn new words and phrases daily. Your brain loves novelty. Learning new words and phrases keeps it engaged and stimulates neuroplasticity. Number 4, emotional connection. Connect emotionally. Associate words with personal experiences or emotions. Emotional connections help in retaining the knowledge. Emotional experiences can also enhance memory and learning. Try to associate words or phrases with personal experiences, emotions, or interesting stories. Keep moving. Regular physical activity is beneficial for overall brain health and it promotes neuroplasticity. So make sure to include regular physical activity into your routine. Physical exercise enhances overall brain health, promoting neuroplasticity. You might go for a run, do some yoga and stretching, do some strength training, whatever form of movement you like best. Incorporate these strategies into your language learning routine, and you might just find yourself becoming more proficient faster. Remember, your brain is an incredible organ capable of learning and adapting. Keep it challenged and engaged as you embark on your language learning journey. Now, if you're looking for a place to practice these strategies, we've got just the right place. Welcome to Exploring Academy, our very own private global community. Exploring Academy provides multiple live workshops each and every week where you can practice speaking and communicating in English. It's a space where learning meets fun and where every conversation pushes you one step closer to social fluency. Being part of Exploring Academy not only helps improve your language and communication skills, but also boosts your confidence, reduces anxiety, and brings you closer to your career goals. So, are you ready to reshape your brain, enhance your English, and open doors to exciting new opportunities? Join us at Exploring Academy and let's start the journey together. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Advanced English for Professionals YouTube channel and podcast. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons, and until then, happy language learning, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.